Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on OpenVAS, your trusted tool for vulnerability scanning. Whether you're a network administrator or a security enthusiast, this guide will help you leverage OpenVAS to secure your networks. OpenVAS, short for Open Vulnerability Assessment System, is a powerful security framework that helps you identify vulnerabilities in your network. Today, we'll cover everything from setting up OpenVAS to running your first scan and interpreting the results. First, let's understand what OpenVAS is. It's an open-source tool for conducting comprehensive vulnerability checks. OpenVAS can detect a wide range of security loopholes, such as misconfigurations, outdated software, and potential paths for unauthorized access. At the heart of OpenVAS are feeds. Feeds are databases containing network vulnerability tests, or NVTs. They hold information on how to detect vulnerabilities across various systems. There are two main types of feeds: the Greenbone Community Feed, a free resource with a wide range of NVTs, and the Greenbone Security Feed, a premium service offering additional features. It is important to always update these feeds. First, to stay informed about new vulnerabilities. Second, for accurate and effective vulnerability scanning. And finally, to maintain a strong security posture by proactively addressing threats. Now let's start using OpenVAS. First, we need to update our feeds. Open a terminal and type commands. We can individually update the feeds or update them all. Updates can take a few minutes or more, so be patient and let it finish. Once finished, we can now start OpenVAS. If the browser did not open, type the command again. Another option is open your browser and type https://127.0.0.1 to 9392. Now log in with your admin account. We have updated our feeds, so let's check if the update is finished. Go to Administration and select Feed Status. As you can see, the updates are still in progress. Wait for it to finish. After all updates are finished, let's check our feed status. NVTs are scripts used in vulnerability scanning to detect known security issues in networks or systems. Each NVT is designed to identify a specific vulnerability or a set of vulnerabilities. Cert feed is an integral component that enhances the tool's ability to identify and respond to security vulnerabilities and threats. To create our first scan, go to Scan, select Task and New Task. Once you select New Task from the drop-down, you will be met with a large pop-up with many options. We will break down each of the option sections and what they can be used for. Name allows us to set the name the scan will be known as inside of OpenVAS. The targets to scan can include hosts, ports, and credentials. To create a new target, you will need to follow another pop-up. This will be covered later in this task. Type Microsoft Windows XP and 192.168.10.7 as the target IP address, and click Save. Click the play icon button to begin the scan. After finishing the scan, OpenVAS will provide you the different result. Click the Result tab to view the vulnerabilities detected by OpenVAS. The CVE Result tab is designed to display the results of vulnerability scans in the context of CVE identifiers. This provides a clear and standardized way to understand and communicate the vulnerabilities found in the scan systems. Go back to the Result tab and click one of the vulnerability. A summary information about the vulnerability will be shown. This will also show the solution on how to mitigate this vulnerability. We can also export our vulnerability result to a PDF file. The Export Report feature in OpenVAS is a critical element for effective vulnerability management and cybersecurity reporting. This function allows users to export the results of vulnerability scans conducted by OpenVAS into various formats for further analysis, sharing, and record-keeping. For this lesson, we have uncovered the essentials of OpenVAS, from understanding its feeds and NVTs to the criticality of its CERT feed and CVE Result tab. We've also delved into the importance of exporting reports for comprehensive vulnerability management. As we wrap up our journey through the powerful capabilities of OpenVAS, remember that the cybersecurity landscape is constantly evolving. Staying vigilant and proactive is key. Thank you for joining me in this lesson.